Hey everyone, this is my simple elegance makeup tutorial using the Seductress Valentine Life Palette by Cosmetics. First, using a fluffy brush, highlight the brow bone with a matte flesh-toned eyeshadow color. With a flat brush, place a satin golden brown eyeshadow on your eyelid, such as the shade Instant Attraction. With a fluffy brush, take the same shade and blend it into the crease. With a round eyeshadow brush, place a darker satin golden brown shade on the outer third of your eyelid, such as the shade Gold Conquest. With a fluffy brush, take some more of the same shade to help blend the shadow on the outer third of the eyelid and to blend some into the crease. Take a short stiff brush to line your lower eyelid with a satin golden brown shade. Using the same brush, take the darker golden brown shade and line the outer third of your lower eyelid. With a tiny eyeliner brush, place a shimmery highlighter shade on the inner corner of your eye, such as the shade Sassy Girl. Next, contour your cheeks. I'll be using the bronzer called Bronzy Lady. For blush, I use the pink shade. This one is called Daydreaming from the Cosmetics Day Life Palette. Using a lip brush, take a matte red shade and start out by lining your lips and then filling them in. I used the shade called Roses Are Red. Next, you can put on eyelash inserts, and now you look simply elegant. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hope to see you in my next video.